Don't play with it, don't be dishonest.
What's up, my YouTube channel? Welcome back if you're not new. In today's video, we're going to be trying out my knitting machine. Ta-da! I've had this for eons. Never opened it. Nothing. I've looked at the box and that was about it. So today we're going to be trying. My goal would be, I guess, to figure out how the machine works, hopefully, and then if we figure out fast enough tonight, I would love to make a headband. So this is obviously a mini machine, so the headband I'm thinking would be for a child because the width of it would be smaller is what I'm thinking. So let's get her open. Scissors, and let's see what we got. I have done, I guess, not really necessary research, but I have looked up how people use the machine and, you know, how it works and whatnot, and how certain yarns drop with it and whatever. And so we shall see what happens. I think they said that acrylic yarn is what you use, and I think at least the YouTuber I was watching, she said that red heart yarn is good. So that's what we're going to be doing. If I like it, I think I'm going to get a bigger one. Again, oh, it came with yarn. Oh, how generous. These little baby pieces of yarn. Little mini balls. Which, if it was a full skein of yarn, I would classify these as scraps. We won't be using that today. I will save that for my baby sister, since I don't even know what to make with that. So we'll be using this after I actually assemble it. Maybe rocket science. Let's see. Oh, wow. Prongs look much bigger. Sure is the twist system. Let's see. You guys like my makeup? Off topic while I finish putting these prongs on. I just did it. So as you can see, I clearly cut my hair. It was, I wouldn't say it was a spontaneous decision, but it was definitely something unexpected of me because I do like long hair. But as we all know, I cut my locks off and my hair was damaged. So I decided, why not start over? I have been feeling better about my appearance overall. My self-confidence, I feel like, has grown up, has skyrocketed, and I care less about what people think. So my short hair has not bothered me. I'm more loving of my 4C hair. At first I wasn't. I never really liked to wear it in its natural state. Like this is its natural state. Can't get any more natural than this. It's literally short. I don't want to stretch it because it's like curly. But that's it. That's it. That's all I got. But I like it. So yeah. It's my little short, if you was wondering. I'm putting on some makeup like I did, which is not always like this. But I needed to learn how to do makeup, and I looked on, what's the app? Lemon 8. It's like a Pinterest, in my opinion. Lemon 8 is like a Pinterest for the girls. I don't know, but yeah, let's put these puppies on. Talking a lot, but yeah. Seriously though, what do you guys think? I mean, if you think negatively, you know, that's fine. Not everybody likes short hair, but I honestly am so happy with it. My mother, she helped me. She cut it for me. Begrudgingly, but she cut it for me. And then she liked it in the end. So I was like, yeah. I didn't want to tussle back and forth with the hair that was ready to be coming off anyway. Oh, nice, nice. Okay, so this is a sewing needle. Why would they tape it to the paper? That made so much sense. We got our tapestry needle and a crochet hook. Size 3.75 millimeters. Yeah, I don't really read instructions, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I probably will be skipping this because I did, like I said, I did watch videos on it. And personally, I don't think it's rocket science. So I will be opting out. Yeah, I think so. Only thing I was curious about was The yarn holder thing looks different here, which I guess makes sense because it looks like it should slide. There, see? Okay, let's get her started. Over, under, over, under. Only thing I don't remember is which way to start first. And they're popping out so much. But let's try. Wait, should I test it this way? Hold the phone. Okay. Under, over. Okay, so it's working. Yeah. It's slightly difficult to turn. I don't know if that's natural or I don't know if it's just the quality of the machine. This is my very first one. I don't know. But, I mean, it's doing it. It's just like, I think it's just the machine. Not too bad. We'll see how long this takes. So, what time is it? Hold on. Hold on. It's 1 a.m. Y'all, it's past my bedtime. But I did my makeup well, and I didn't want to take it off. I was practicing, and this is where we're at. So. You see, it's growing. Let's see. Only thing is, I don't know how many stitches I've done. So, I don't know if the little time thing is some additional attachment or it just comes with the more quality machines. I'm kind of guessing the latter. I would definitely get a bigger one just based off of this. It's going better now. It's like off and on. Let me not say anything. But it's not bad. I would definitely have pulled from the center next time because I don't like unraveling like this. Yeah. That's my only con right now. It's not too bad. But I did just start, so I can't really say much, right? But yeah. Smooth sailing right now. Right now we're good. We're Gucci. Oh, what was that? I saw that move. My baby sister's head, I think, is about 19 inches. And circumference. Around her head is about 19 inches. So, that's what we're gonna do. I'm thinking for a child's head. I'm so curious. I'm just so curious to see how this turned out. So, Chief, what's wrong, bud?
For $4 a month, I got a plan that covers my pre-existing condition and weekly therapy.
Okay, so it's sewed. It's quite thin. Thin but thick. The width is thick. I mean thin. Hold on. So I sewed it. That's not bad. It might be able to fit my head. Hold on. Let's see if this fits my big head. I didn't drop any stitches. So, they didn't lie. Acrylic yarn is the way to... Wait! Hold on. Hold on. And I was just saying because I cut my hair, I can't wear hats because the hat would just... and I don't got a mirror everywhere with me. Y'all, is this not cute? Is this not cute? Or is it just the camera deceiving me and making it look better than I think it is? You guys, is this not cute? Is this not a win? Now, excuse me, of course there was some execution things we could have improved on, right? But this is cute. My ears are warm, my ears are covered. Adorable. I'm sorry, but you cannot tell me otherwise. And with my hair, what? I would definitely be using that again. And I definitely know now that I will use it on adult teen stuff, not just kiddie stuff. Yeah, game changer. Wait, what's the time? It's 1:28. Now, I think that I could finish that faster. Of course, now that I actually know how to use the machine. If I count the rows, next time I actually know how many I need to do, I think I could do it faster. And what else? Once I figure out how to properly do the scrap yarn, like to properly close it, we'll be in business. And then now we'll cut my time down. I think I could probably do it in like 15 minutes instead of 30, basically. I got this on Amazon, and I've seen the bigger ones to come in, like the black and red ones, but that's like $100 some, $200. So I was like, let me just start with this because, as I said before, I'm a crocheter, and I would definitely invest because I like it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a cute little video, right? This was fun. This is a good little experiment, and I absolutely love it. Absolutely. And you guys, the glasses, this look, I honestly can't tell if it's just the Mama, what's wrong? Where's my machine at? Oh. I don't know if it's just the camera, but I'm loving this look. Let me change glasses. Hold on. Wait a minute. I honestly wanted these to be larger, but they weren't. No, it's so cute. It's not just the glasses. Let's see this one. It's not giving the same vibe. It's not the same. It's giving more office vibes now. But this is cute. Is it not? You're gonna hurt my glasses. So these have the little grips behind it because the last ones I had were sliding off my face and precautions. I play volleyball and I don't want these suckers slapped off my face. So yeah. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely did. I enjoyed making it. I enjoyed the results. All of the above. And I hope you guys did too. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.